This is the moment every beginner waits for. No Wi-Fi, no SIM card, no internet. Still, data is traveling wirelessly. In this video, we will send our first real LoRa message. If this works, you are officially inside the LoRa world. Welcome to LoRa Mastery Part 0.4. In the previous video, we understood LoRa, checked the hardware and configured all settings. Now it's time to prove everything works. We have two LoRa modules, both are configured correctly. Now one module will send a message and the other module will receive it wirelessly. This is the Comfort serial monitor. So I have two modules connected to my laptop, one at COM4, one at COM5. Now for COM4, I'm going to set the address to 1. Here we go, and now we will just click on send. All right, so we got the message, so it's working. The address has been set up as 1. Now for the module connected to COM port number 5, I'm going to set it up to address 2. Yep, it worked perfectly. Now it's time to set network ID. As you remember, network ID needs to be the same for both the modules. So I'm setting that up right now. Ensure you are following all these steps, because if you are missing out something, so it might not work out. So I'm just copying and pasting the same command here for the other module. Now I need to click on send. All right, so network ID is set for both modules. Now it's time to set the bandwidth. Here we go. And ensure bandwidth also needs to be the same for both the modules. All right, so it's done. Now just copying the same command, pasting it here. Now again click on send. Perfect. Now both the modules have different address, same network ID, and same bandwidth. Now it's time for setting up frequency. And just one thing, if you are not aware, ensure the frequency is also the same for both the modules. So just copy and paste it again. Let's send our first LoRa message. This command sends the message hello to the module with address 2. The number 5 means the message length. Now watch the receiver. If everything is correct, the receiver shows a message. This confirms successful wireless communication. The message arrived without internet, Wi-Fi or SIM card. Now let's understand the extra numbers. RSSI shows signal strength. SNR shows signal quality. Stronger signal means better reliability. This helps us test range and performance later. If you don't receive a message, don't panic. Check address, check network ID, check frequency, and check antenna. One wrong setting means zero communication. This single test proves everything. Your wiring is correct, your configuration is correct, your LoRa setup is working. From here, projects become easy. Congratulations, you have completed phase 0 of LoRa Mastery. You now understand LoRa better than most beginners. In phase 1, we will build a pure LoRa communication system. No Arduino needed here. Just two LoRa modules talking like a chat system. This is where things get interesting. If the video helped you, subscribe to Overall Technical Gyan, watch the series in order, links are in the description.